Hi, my name is Amar Variawa. I am a country director for Public Affairs, Sustainability and ESG in Michelin India Private Limited. Um, my views about today's event, uh, the manufacturing is a core aspect of the economy of India. As you have seen that since independence, it has played a very significant role. Today, if you see the contribution of manufacturing is around 17% into India's GDP, and government is trying to bring this contribution to the tune of around 25% by 2025. And for that, they are trying the level best to bring different aspects, different policies and regulatory environment, like production link incentive, like the regulation related to ESG, the digital manufacturing, AI, IoT, etc. Now, from here to next 25 years, if I see, which is government is also telling as Amrit Kal, the manufacturing is going to be blend with digital aspect very much. So the combination of AI, IoT along with the manufacturing is going to create a seamless opportunities and the expectations for the youth of India, and it is going to be a very, very interesting time ahead for all of us. Thank you.